Hey everyone, my name is Gerardo and I'm doing my informative speech. De extinction, the past is the future. What if I told you the world of Jurassic Park could be a reality? Well, sort of. There is a project called Revive and Restore where bioengineers seek to resurrect, in a way, extinct animals such as the woolly mammoth. In the year 1980, the idea of being able to bring back extinct animals had surfaced as a possible reality. See, scientists figured out that DNA in fossils can be sequenced. Around the same time, synthetic biology had progressed and continues to progress faster than Moore's law. So, what happened when the woolly mammoth went extinct? Well, when the woolly mammoth went extinct, the Siberian tundra, which is an icy place, was once grasslands called the Mammoth Steppe. See, mammoths were big enough that they were able to terraform the land, making the grasslands. But because they no longer exist, we have the Siberian tundra. Why did woolly mammoth go extinct? So, unfortunately, woolly mammoth went extinct due to human activity. We hunted them into extinction. The tool that is being used to do the gene editing is called CRISPR-Cas9. It is a gene editing tool for precision gene splicing and editing, which some argue is the future of bioengineering. Revive and Restore Revive and Restore's co-founder Ryan Phelan and also the director of R&R said that the mission of Revive and Restore is genetics and genomics can help us build a genetic rescue toolkit that helps enhance genetic diversity, build disease resistance, facilitate adaptation to climate change, and more. So as you can see, the de-extinction project is much more than just bringing animals back. Another one of the most notable figures in the de-extinction project is George Church, an American geneticist, molecular engineer, and chemist who is known as the father of gene editing. Beth Shapiro is also a notable figure. She is the professor of ecology and evolutionary biology at UCSC. So, one of the future things that the project is trying to do is being able to bring living embryos or being able to produce living embryos. Although they have accomplished it with the Savarsky horse in August 6, 2020, with animals that have long been extinct, such as the woolly mammoth, it is a much more difficult task. Another thing that they have to do is introduce clones to environments. Saying if we were able to produce living clones of mammoths or passenger pigeons, Tasmanian tigers, all these extinct animals, the environments that once existed when they were alive are no longer here. So it it is a much more difficult task than what it seems. So one of the things that this project also wants to do is fight climate change. A Russian scientist by Sergei Simov founded the Plestine Park, where he has the world's biggest animals trying to fix the Siberian tundra and convert it back to the grasslands it once was, helping fight climate change. Although the animals aren't as big as the woolly mammoths, so it might take a little longer than we might hope. And some of the discussions that surround the project is the ethics involved. Conservationists have ethical questions and do not support the project. One of the most notable ethical questions with bringing a woolly mammoth back is that the woolly mammoth is a social creature, and so is the Asian elephant, which would be its surrogate mother, since it has the closest DNA to a mammoth. So, what they're afraid of is basically that if a woolly mammoth was born out of an Asian elephants being social creatures might treat it differently since it looks different than other Asian elephants, or it would look different. However, bioengineers think that the results may be more important than the ethics. The Asian elephant is an endangered species, and creating this hybrid Asian elephant woolly mammoth, some bioengineers argue would save the Asian elephants from extinction and bring back the woolly mammoth at the same time. And I'd just like to know, what are your thoughts and what animal would you like to bring back to the world? Thank you for watching my speech.